Okay, now that we've upgraded our account, the second step is we are going to link our eBay and PayPal accounts together. This will enable you to accept payments from PayPal over to eBay when people buy items from you. Now, please note that eBay is doing away with PayPal as a payment processor in 2020 going forward to 2023. They are slowly moving folks over from PayPal to the new payment processor, which is called Adyen. It is internal in eBay. And so what are the differences? So previously, money would come into your PayPal account, 20 bucks. They would take their 50-cent PayPal fee. You'd have $19.50. You would then buy your shipping label for $2.50, and you'd be left with $17 in your PayPal account. Your item would ship out with the label, and then your eBay fee would go onto your eBay account that you owed eBay $2. And then it would total up, and you'd have to make sure you paid either your fees at the end of every month, or slowly you could pay them throughout the year. Now, I have had an eBay account for a long time, so I do not know if you register as a new eBay user, whether or not they're still going to offer you the PayPal. If they do, great, log in and take the steps I'm describing. If they don't, and it's Adyen through eBay's managed payment internal website processor, then you need to follow the steps that eBay is going to provide for you to sign up with Adyen. It should be very easy. They're gonna ask you for a bank account, your social security or your tax ID number, whatever you're using. This is all very normal and it's required on every other platform, Amazon, Poshmark. They have to have a way to send the money to your bank account. PayPal did the same thing. When you wanted to withdraw money from your PayPal account, you would have to give them bank account information to send it to. It's all very normal. Don't be scared of it. Don't be overwhelmed with it. It's perfectly safe, and you have to do it if you want to get your money. eBay is going to daily allow you to withdraw the money that's internal in that account once you do away with PayPal and send it to your bank account. The one thing you will lose is that PayPal debit card, which before, when the money came into PayPal, you could swipe away as soon as it was available. On eBay, they haven't said if they're going to come up with a comparable card to that. We'll have to see. The other thing is, if you are on PayPal and you're not on the internal service and you're a new seller, do know that PayPal will hold some of your money. So if somebody pays you on the first of the month for a $20 item, it may not become available until the item is delivered to them and you receive feedback, or until you request PayPal to open it because tracking shows delivered. So that's pretty normal for new sellers. After you build a history, after a couple of months, they will start releasing the money to you immediately as soon as someone pays you. So that's really a nice thing to work towards, and make sure you keep your history well. Pay your fees, get everything shipped out, and your money will start becoming available to you right away. So make sure you keep all that in mind with PayPal. And I'm gonna take you over to the screen back in our profile and show you guys now how to link your PayPal to your eBay. Okay, to update your eBay profile with your settings, your address, or your account information, or to change your eBay name, you're gonna need to go from the main, again, My eBay page, Seller Hub. In the top left-hand corner, there's a Settings tab, Account Settings, and you'll just click on that. And once it comes to the Account Settings page, which is the same place as your seller dashboard and fees were, you're gonna look to the left-hand side, and there are a couple of important tabs. There's a Business Information, there's an Address tab, there's a Communication Preference, a Site Preference, Manage Communications with Buyers, a Seller Dashboard, a Feedback, a PayPal account, and a Seller account. And then also your subscription, where it's going to show your store. So let's look at each one. One is Business Information. This is going to be your account type, which of course mine's business, my user ID, my password, secret questions, about me, registered email, registered name and phone number, all on this page. This is your basic information. Under your addresses is obvious, your ship to address, shipping address. eBay notifications, this is where you can turn off the emails, you can turn off best offers, you can show notifications for each individual thing that you want to receive it for or not receive it for. Under preferences, these are going to be things like delete automatically your unsolds, display international sales. You can go through this. There's literally 100 different options. I'm not going to run through all of these, but you can scroll through them. Under communications, this is how you'll communicate with buyers. If your buyer hasn't paid, you can choose eBay to step in. All, again, 5 options that you get to pick from. The seller dashboard is where you'll see your top rated seller status, your late shipments, your defects, your tracking, transactions, return rate. Again, you can scroll through all of these, your total lifetime transactions, your sales. And finally, your account feedback. It shows everything that you've left and received feedback for. And then your PayPal account, this is where you will link your PayPal account. This is how you set up your two-step process for your PayPal. And finally, the seller account and fee page with the fees, credits, payments, refunds, invoices, which we've already talked about. And the last page is your subscription, where it shows how much you are being billed, how you're being billed, and any offers that they are giving to you, which is like my Therapy Research, which is $12 a month with a 1-year plan or $19 without. These are things you can add on. You can cancel your subscription. You can download or downgrade or upgrade your subscription as well. I have a premium store. It's $59.95.